welcome back. And today I've received my Nykaa order, and I had actually placed order last week when they had skincare discounts, and I had to wait because they sent in batches, and the last product which I was waiting came today. So I thought I'll put all the products in this box and then film it. I've opened the packaging because there were too many boxes, and I've put everything in here, and then we'll see one by one what all I've got. So the first thing I ordered is this from the Faceshop. This was a set of 3 gels. First thing is this fresh lotus soothing gel. This combo was this Damyang bamboo 99% fresh soothing gel, and it's really good for soothing your irritated skin, or also if you're acne prone skin. My niece has tried it and it's really nice. So that's the second thing. And the third gel which I've got is this Jeju aloe. This is fresh soothing gel, 99% aloe vera gel. So I got these 3 in combo, which was really in discounted price, and also there was offer like if you buy certain amount you get gifts. Next thing I got from Faceshop is this chia seed no shine intense hydrating cream, and this is the 50 ml one. I have already emptied one bottle when I went to Germany, and I really am in love with this, the way it worked on my skin. So I thought I'll get it again. So this is the chia seed no shine intense hydrating cream. It's really good for if you have dry skin, or also if you have acne skin. It's because it's like gel based, it's not too thick, and it also works well on summers and winters. If you buy a full size moisturizer and you get a full size of toner free, got this white seed brightening toner. I've already used chia seed toner. I've not tried this, so it's good. I've got this, like it was like 1400 rupees, but I got it for free. I have ordered Olay face cream for my mom. So this is a moisturizer with SPF 15, and this is a hydrating gel with non-greasy feel. This is good for advanced anti-aging, and my mom has emptied her face moisturizer in the day cream, and I thought it will be good, so I got this one for her. It was also in some discount. And then I got this Garnier white complete eye roll on. This is for anti-puffiness, brightness, eye contour. This is a massaging roller which helps drain puffiness, immediate cooling effect. Actually, I don't have puffy eyes, but I have dark circles, and I use eye cream, but I wanted something which I can use to massage my eyes. So I thought this was very affordable for me to they have in Body Shop, but it was really expensive. So I brought this one so I can use it, and once I finish it I can just use it to massage it. So this comes with this little teeny tiny massager where you can massage it. So this is the main reason I've got, is to use it as a massager whenever I apply my night cream, because the area around your under eyes is very sensitive. So you have to use a very light pressure when you're using an eye cream, and I thought this will be really good for that. So yeah, this is my next purchase. And I've got loads of sheet masks, and I'm really loving sheet masks these days. I've used these home remedy masks which are exclusive made for Nykaa, and I've got, like, there was 5+5 offer, so I've got few from the lab collection and few from their home remedy mask. So the first thing I have is this fenugreek and cucumber, which is for cooling sensation, which has sandalwood and rose water in it, and these are all from DearPacker. And the next one is with lavender and argan oil for relaxing, and the next one is this pea and yogurt for nourishing, and the last home remedy mask is this green tea and jasmine flower for soothing. Oh, I have another one. So this is cinnamon and honey for anti-aging. I actually used the brightening one. I really liked it. And and these are from lab collections. So this is for anti-dry and hydrating mask, which is hydrating and quenching, anti-aging and foaming mask, which is specially formulated for anti-aging care. And then we have this anti-blemish and pore care. I actually brought this for my sister, and I'll give it to her. And then we have this anti-pollution clearing, which I will be using it. Sheet mask which I've got. Sister, I have brought this Innisree green tea fresh cream. She has oily skin, so this is really suitable for oily skin. So this is the green tea fresh cream, which is enriched with squeezed green tea from the pure Jeju island to deliver abundant moisture and nourishment into your skin. So they also had this offer, like if you buy some 900 rupees from Innisree, you get some kit free. I'll show those kits. It's actually sealed, so I don't want to open it, but the packaging is really pretty. So this is a green tea fresh cream what I've got. And then I've got this Innisree Jeju Volcanic Nose Pack, which is 6 pack of nose packs. Actually ordered these newly launched Faceshop Jeju Volcanic Lava, and this is the aloe nose strip. It is actually 50 rupees, but I think I got it as 35 rupees for one strip. And next I got this Jeju Volcanic Lava 3-step deep cleansing nose strip. So it has 3 steps, like step 1, step 2, step 3. So in the first step it's like softens sebum, the second step it deeply cleanses pore, and in third step it tightens the pore. So yeah, I have got this one. What I've got is this Innisfree green tea seed serum. I actually got a sample when I was in Delhi. I've purchased the seed Innisfree products. I've got this sample and I really liked it, so I thought I'll go for it. And this is a limited edition one where you can also save, I think they have normally 50 ml of the product or 70 ml, I don't know, but I've got this for 160 ml and it was really worth it. This is a limited edition collection, so you have this pretty deer here. So this is a green tea seed serum. You get this kind of dispenser, and it actually has green tea squeezed, and I think it's suitable for all skin types. This is a 160, a huge bottle of the seed serum. So I'm really excited and can't wait to try this on. So yeah, let me show you the texture. Can you see the texture of the serum? It's really kind of runny, but it sinks into your skin very, very nicely. So yeah, I just applied and it went into my skin very well. It's actually a little shiny, but it went into my skin very well moisturized. I made my purchases, but I got some free stuff when I purchased these. So the first one is Innisfree Aloe Revital Special Kit, which is the sample size kit which I got as free. So you have this Aloe Revitalized Skin Mist. This is really pretty, really. It's so cute and so small. And then you have this cute little Aloe Revital Sleeping Pack, and also you have this Aloe Soothing Gel. I think it's the same gel what we have got. So these 3 were in this pack. Then we have got this Innisfree Jeju Pomegranate Revitalizing Special Care Kit. So the first thing is this pomegranate revitalizing cream, and then we have this Jeju Pomegranate Revitalizing Lotion, and we have Jeju Pomegranate Revitalizing Eye Serum. That's really useful for me. And we have this essence. And finally we have this revitalizing skin. So this is a set of all samples. For these samples of Jeju Pomegranate essence and cream, we have got 2 samples. Had this offer, if you buy certain amount you actually get this free kit. So this is a very, very teeny tiny cute little pouch, and also it says Faceshop here, and it has few sample skincare products inside it. Let me get that out. So this is a cute little small pouch, and we have got these 3. Thing is this Chia Seed Notion Intense Hydrating Cream of 10 ml, and then we have White Seed Balancing White Moisture Cream of 10 ml, and then Batiste Serum of 6 ml. So these were the 3 samples which we got in the tiny bag. To purchase certain amount, you can pick free gifts for yourself. Like the first one is this Norwegian formula. This is the Neutrogena hand cream. The first free gift I have picked up for myself. And then the second one is this Innisfree Special Care Mask. This is a hand mask. I've never tried a hand mask. And the last thing I picked up for myself is this Faceshop Daily Perfume Hand Cream. This is in the fragrance Tiara. And yeah, these are the 3 gifts I've picked up. All what I have purchased from Nykaa. Samples, I have got all these products, so I've also included my samples here and the free gifts. So yeah, this is all what I've got. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.